I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select the action Mailster. Connect to Mailster. Mailster connected successfully. Next, map the respective fields. Under the actions, click on the status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the tags checkbox and choose tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Mailster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the Mailster subscribers. Thanks for watching.